So these are the Mercedes-Benz 2009 CL63 AMG. I'm about to change the valve cover gasket and replace a new one, so don't have to deal with it for quite a while. I managed to take the top on the right side as well, just to get it ready. So you can see there's some oil leak right here, and probably in some other parts of the gasket. I'm attempting to remove the valve gasket and replace a new one for both left and right. So what I did was number the part of the spark plug, and I'm about to number this one. Number 4 is an 8. I believe this is V8, so it should be 4 here and 4 on the other side. So I'll keep you guys an update once I remove the cover and post it again on Facebook. Thank you. Bye. So after 2 hours or 3 hours of trying to remove the gasket, going back and forth, I was able to use T27, this one, T27 or T30, but I recommend T27 because at this part, this one, that is the one that's really hard to take out, and the first one right here, actually the first one's over there, the second one, the third one. So that bolt, this one here, is pain in the butt, and so does this one right here because of the distance, little small gap. All right, so it took me a while to get the parts, remove it. I would say about back and forth and trying to get the right tools, I'd say about an hour and a half. All right, I'll keep you guys an update. So after removing this part, remember how in the previous the first video I made, I forgot to mention that you have to take this out. You know, they normally sit like that, okay, and then the screws are actually here, so I tape them so it's not going anywhere, or I don't want to use any wrong tape. So normally they sit this way, right? That's for your that's for basically for spark plug. Okay, if you turn around, this I managed to put a new gasket. So this gasket right here, according to Mercedes-Benz, they said not to use the sealant. Some people, they used it on YouTube and they show it. I looked it up in the previous video, but they told me not to use it. I have no idea why. Probably because if you do, it's going to be a hard and pain in the ass to take, you know, another gasket if they want to replace it. So just sit like that. Now the ring where this one goes, this ring, if you notice, there's let me see, this part here, there's an edge. That edge is supposed to be right around here in the bottom. When I open it up, it's sitting like that, and the only way I can think of is because if you see it right here, this thing is going to be flat, and you see that edge right here, that's going to be sitting on the rubber part on a gasket. So I'm just putting it back the way it was. The condition of the sealants are still good. They're not brittle. I'm not sure how long this thing's gonna last, but I do know for sure that this thing is good. If it is, we'll replace another one. The hardest part of doing this is basically those 2 bolts that I mentioned. I believe I mentioned in the previous video. Other than that, everything else is easy. Cleaning it, I'm using Simple Green. I also use the Mobile One oil to clean the interior part. I'll show you in the next video. Okay, have a good day. Bye.